Take a look at this question. The risk of incorrect acceptance. So you have to know what is the risk of incorrect acceptance. We have incorrect acceptance, we have incorrect rejection. You have to know what's the risk of that. Relate to what? Is it A, effectiveness of the audit, efficiency of the audit, preliminary estimates of the materiality level, or tolerable misstatement? When we are dealing with incorrect acceptance or incorrect rejection, we are dealing with either effectiveness or efficiency. So basically, just knowing a little bit, I can eliminate C and D and focus on A and B. So when you are dealing with incorrect acceptance and incorrect rejection, you are dealing with either effectiveness or efficiency. You have to understand those two. Okay? So incorrect acceptance deals with what? Is it efficiency or is it effectiveness? What is the difference between the two? Well, effectiveness means you are accepting a book value or a control that's not really working properly. Let's assume we're talking about internal control. It's not working properly, but you assume it's working properly. That's effectiveness. So it's not good. So effectiveness, it's not good. Whatever you are dealing with, it's not good, but you think it's good. Okay, and what happened? If you think it's good and if it's not good, you're going to rely on it. That's going to affect the effectiveness of the audit. Now, if you think the control is good, it's not good. So we said effectiveness, it's not good, but you think it's good. That's bad. But efficiency, the control is good, but you think it's not good. That's not a problem. It's not a problem relative to A. What happens if the control is good, but you don't think it's not good? What you do is you don't rely on it. You will do more substantive testing. What happens is you did more work than you're supposed to, that you should have. Therefore, you have an efficiency problem. Here, incorrect acceptance. You accepted that the control is good, while in reality, it's not good. So it's not good, but you think it's good. Therefore, it's the effectiveness. It's going to influence the effectiveness, and it's a more dangerous problem than A. Incorrect rejection, well, you're not efficient. You're going to do more than what you should have. Not a big deal. We spend more time, okay? But effectiveness, guess what? We relied on control that it's not good. We assumed it's good. We were driving blindly. Therefore, the risk of incorrect acceptance is A, deals with effectiveness. Okay, incorrect rejection would deal with efficiency because it was good, but we incorrectly rejected the control. Or we're dealing with the same thing if we're dealing with the book value of an item. Okay, we either accept the book value or we reject the book value incorrectly.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website, farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.